How to delete account on Signal. Open the Signal private messenger on your phone. Thinking of taking a break or switching to another app? Let's see how to delete the Signal account safely. Tap on the profile icon at top right corner. Tap Settings. Tap Account. This is where Signal store all your account related options. Scroll down until you see Delete Account. Yup, the red button. Tap it. Signal will ask for your number. Type it in to confirm it's really you. Hit delete and again hit delete account and boom, it's gone. Your message group and data tied to that account are permanently erased. Remember, once deleted, you will need to register from scratch if you ever come back. No old chats or group will return, and that's it. You have successfully deleted your Signal account. If this tutorial helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and share so others can also learn too. See you in the next guide, and thank you for watching.